Hello and welcome to a new video in our YouTube channel. Today you review a site called EBStore. We will know everything about this software and we will discuss it from inside. From that dashboard we will check all of this information and this feature about this software, and I will show you how you can use it and make a lot of money with this software and my custom bonus if you want to purchase through my link in the description box. So I want to show you now the sales page of this product. It's called EBStore. So in a nutshell, this software allow you to make your own website in a very easy and simple way. You will have your own online ebook store in less than 1 minute, as they said here in this sales page, because this website loaded with more than 10,000 ebooks. So you will get all of this done for you, ebooks, and you can get it on your store for in one click, and you will have your own online ebook store. You can check all of this information about AI powered software and how you can use it. You will see also there's a very good demo about the software and how you can use it and make your own ebook store, and also you can check this steps on how you can make your own online store in a very easy and simple way. And this is a testimonial about a real user. As they said, I don't really trust any testimonial of this software, but I will show you from the inside how you can make it. And here's some feature about this software. You don't have to get any custom domain or to buy any host to work with this software, because they have their own custom domain and the custom hosting, and I will show you now how you can make all of this from this dashboard. If you register for EBStore, you will find this dashboard with all of this feature. If you want to start and make your own online ebook store, you will click here. After that you can click on add store. You can add your own ebook store from here, or if you have a custom domain you will click here. But if you don't have any domain, you will go with this domain and get a subdomain from their website. So I will name it any name I want. I will name it Red, for example. I will make it for a test only. So you can check here my own website just created in less than 1 minute. I will show you now my website. You can click here to see your own online store. So your own online store just created in a very easy and simple way. You can check here all of this information, and all of this you can resell it for your own, but you of course you have to manage your own payment, because anyone want to purchase through here from where your website, you have to put your PayPal account, and after that any customer want to purchase any products from here, you will get paid through a PayPal. So you will have to put your PayPal here, and also you can put a Stripe here account. If you have a Stripe account it will be very good, and you can manage your own website in a very easy and simple way. And you can also check here, this is a setting of the product or for your website, and also you can add your own product from here. If you have a product, any ebook, and I want to add an ebook, you can add category from here, and also you can add your ebook. If you have an important ebook you want to add to your website, it will be very good to add any ebook, and also you can make and create your own coupon code. If you want to promote your website in a smart way, you have to make a coupon. You can make a coupon with a discount of 50 or 30% and encourage the customer to buy from you. And also you can check their PDF ebook maker. You can create your PDF ebook from here. You can upload your own ebook and make it here, and this website will create the PDF ebook for you. So you can make a lot of things through this website. I want to show you now my custom bonus if you want to purchase through my link in the description box. So in the first I will give you an 48 ebook for free. This is a high quality ebook BLR make a package. You can check this product with a different niches, and also the most important thing, this with a license, so you can resell it for your own without any problem. You can check here this 28 product of ebooks. You can check any one of them. You will see the e-cover. It is a very good e-cover, is very good, and the premium product and premium quality. This is a cover of the PDF ebook, and also you can check the ebook from here. So you will see this is a very good and high quality product. You can upload it to your own online store here and add more value for your customer. And my second bonus for you, it will give you a full tutorial on how you can drive traffic to your website, because this website here rely only on the blog posts and rely only on the SEO, search engine optimization traffic, and this will cost you a lot of money if you want to work on this way, because you have to make a lot of paid traffic and a lot of made backlink to get higher in the search engine and in the Google rank. But I will show you a full tutorial on a smart way on how you can drive traffic to to your website through the short videos like TikTok videos and YouTube Shorts, and the way that will give you a lot of profit and a lot of traffic to your website, so you can rely on this traffic because it's viral now. This kind of short videos will get you a lot of traffic to your website, and that's what I will give you a full tutorial on how you can drive traffic to your website through the YouTube Shorts and TikTok, so you can rely on this traffic. Not only the traffic come from the search engine optimization or from the blog post, so you can get my bonus if you purchase through my link in the description box. You will get all my custom bonus, and also you can get this bonus from here, as they have also a lot of bonus for you if you purchase through my link from the website itself. And also you will get this free gift for the first 100 buyer, this reseller license worth of around $2,000. You will get it also if you purchase through my link in the description box. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like it, and see you in the next video.